Alright, I have this Craftsman lt1000 riding lawnmower. It's a year 2002. I'll be showing you today how to get the throttle cable out and be able to put another one back in. This is a 16.5 horse Briggs & Stratton motor. Hey, so the first thing we want to do, we're going to go ahead and open the hood up. And then you will need a T27 star wrench like this. We're going to need to get it put in here and get that loosened up. And you shouldn't have to take that all the way off, but it looks like this one I'm going to have to. Just don't drop it and lose your parts. There, no, there it goes. So I only loosen enough to get that cable out of there. So you don't have to take that all the way off. Alright, and so we want to be really careful. This is plastic, and sometimes they can be brittle and they break. So you want to take this cable, kind of push it forward like that, and pull it out. You see how it's designed? Sorry, we got that part done. Now we gotta go by the seat, the steering wheel. Alright, so there's two bolts right here. They are 3/8 socket or wrench, whatever you want to use. I'm gonna go ahead and get them off. Once you get them all the way off, see the cable moves now. All right, so we want to put our hands in between in here. Let's see, yeah. And obviously the cable already moved. So you want to turn it like that so it come through that groove and come out. All right, so we're going to just grab it. It should just come sliding out. There's plenty of room. And as you see, there it is. Pretty simple getting out. Now, to put it back in, you're obviously going to put it in there like this, underneath the tank. You gotta make sure you stay on the. You gotta stay on that side of the gas line, and then let me get you back up front here. So now you want to turn this cable so it goes back to that groove, and that part always facing down. Remember that. So we're going to go ahead and get that bolt put back on. And tighten it down. Oh, that's right. You gotta make sure they start. That one didn't start in there, so that's why it wasn't tightening. I'm like, what in the world is going on? There we go. All right, once you got them tightened down, now we go back to the motor again. All right, now we're back by the motor. So we want, like I said, we want to be really careful when we go put this in this hole, because these can break real easy. So you want to bend it like that, get that piece in there, push in, and as you do it, keep pushing in and push that back. It should go in there just like that. So I want to go ahead and tighten this up. rule of thumb, I always make sure my throttle cable, my throttle is all the way down. You know, the handle up front before I tighten this up. And then what I do is I'll take the throttle cable and push to make sure that that's going to choke when you go full throttle, because that chokes it, and it does. This choke is froze up on this, so this is just the parting out machine. So then you go ahead and close your hood, and there you go. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.